One, two.
Walking in Taipa village, walking those old streets of Macau, just walking through Macau. Yeah, 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 Rua do Meio, walking down Rua do Meio, those old streets of Taipa village. Oh, Macau. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, oh, Macau.
Okay, this is a little street called Rua do Meio, and we're just gonna try to show you what it looks like. This little area, there's a ton of people today. I don't know the reason for it, but there is a lot of people down this way. So I think what we're gonna do is go down our street, and we might kind of loop around in there a little bit and try to give you some context to this area. We're in something called Taipa village, so let's go check it all out. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is Meio Street. Let me just kind of walk down slightly. So just to give you some context, this street right here is kind of a, you can see there's a mountain up that way. There's actually an incline, you can see it from here. And this is the building that we're at on the corner. Really beautiful, beautiful building. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And then we're gonna walk over in that way and try to give you some context of everything, including the street. So first, let's go over to that space here. There's the that street, and then this one is a Taipa history. Taipa and so it is kind of peeking briefly. There's a museum says Xian Xinghe, he's a composer. So it looks like there's an exhibition for him today. So we're gonna try to, let me just kind of see. I'm gonna try to go this way and come back. And now we have that. So you can see what that looks like from this side. And then I'm going to go down. And we'll try to get some context to that particular building. Let me go down a little bit further. For some reason, there's some big event going on today. This is middle school right there. There's a temple right here. We'll just capture all this and then we're going to go down our street. But it kind of gives the context to the street, so you can kind of give you an idea. And that's that kind of cool looking building. So that's kind of the focal point for this particular area. And then we're going to take a look down that way. All these banyan trees. There's a ton of banyan trees all the way down that way too. So they go all the way down to the historic Taipa entry point. I'll explain that in a second. Okay, so that's the Meio Street right there. Let me kind of step back. Try to capture that a little bit. So yeah, pretty cool. In Meio, it's just this little alley that goes into Taipa village. Lots of people take photos here. Let's just kind of go back. And then so Meio goes into Taipa village, and you can definitely explore all of this. Check out those beautiful windows, and the alleys look like this. I will try to give you a little bit of context. This is kind of cool. White Owl, Funny Eye, another Macau brewery, Goldfish. Bow tie. Okay, so we're gonna go down. I think this one is the back side of I don't know if that's a restaurant or if that's an apartment. Sometimes these are open, like these are kitchen workers coming out, so that's the back side of a restaurant. More restaurants. And then you'll see the sign right here. So that's Mayo Street. And then this is actually the end of the street. But we'll give you some context into this as well. These are little temporary ones. They're gonna put a performance here for a holiday coming up next Friday, I think it is. There's a ton of people down that way. This is our Target Street. All the way down that way. And I'm gonna just briefly come around and I'll try to make some context to that street, but that's our Target Street there. And then this is kind of interesting over here because we have a ton of people over here. They'll capture this Macau sign here so you can see all the people over there. So usually they line up here and they get a picture of this one right here, Macau. This is all part of Taipa Village. This is all restaurants all the way down. This one has these beautiful windows. This has been empty for a long time. But I heard that recently they will be putting something in there. And then this is all just kind of Taipa Village in general. Have these beautiful flowers. And then if you can see in the background, there's actually a couple, there's casinos right here, Galaxy and Galaxy. So that's actually the largest non-military casino in the world, I think. Non-military cafeteria, something like that. I think it's the largest casino. And I think there's also some other statistics to it too. Okay. And then this is kind of back where we started again, so we're going to end up going back to where we started in a moment. Okay. So let's just kind of cruise through here. There's actually a restaurant right to the right of us. And now we're back. We kind of went around the corner to where we started at. And there's Meio. There are kind of some iconic structures here. Okay. So we are going to kind of meander this way. And now we're back at Meio again. All these beautiful trees. There's a restaurant right here as well, so people can come in and out of here. There's actually some nice artwork all along the restaurant. Right there. And a lot of people today. Beautiful tree. And that's back to where we started at, was Mayo Street. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna come to an ending in a moment. And then we're just gonna come back here. And that's Meio right there. So it's basically that little street right there, and then Taipa Village just kind of goes into all this, but all that stuff right in there. We're gonna come to an ending here in a second. And then the traditional Taipa would have ended over here. The ocean would have been here, and then the casinos, they're built on reclaimed land, so those are all directly over that way, beyond these trees. Okay. And that's our target street right there, Meio. That is Macau.